two new pickups in. This one is from Premier Skate Shop. So they had a 20% off sale extra for all sale items, and I was able to grab just some clothing. Nothing too crazy. But this one, just a tee and a hoodie in here from Dime. Yeah, regular price on the hoodie is $110. Got it for $25. The tee was $10. I got a Premier Box logo sticker. Quick shipping. Got it in 2 days. So look at that retail price, $110 for the hoodie. Extremely Butters hoodie, slate, embroidered. Just a slate color hoodie. Dime right over here. Then I got a Dime tee right here, size medium. This one was just $10. This is the Vision tee. Dime Vision, not too crazy. That's cool. It comes with a bag, but main event right here. Picked this up on Sneaker Boutique, located in Upland, California. He's a YouTuber, and he also has a store in California. I was able to pick up the Unions. These are the Desert Moss colorway. Union. These are the second drop. 7.5. Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. Desert Moss. Turquoise blue. $225 was the retail price. So yeah, let's take a look. Right. Here you go with the Desert Moss over here. Bang bang. Got the Union LA Nike Air on the back. This is one of the other colorways that people didn't really like. They liked the taupes. Comes with a nice little hang tag. Then check out the inside. Right over there. The bottoms, Nike Air with a hit of purple. These are super clean. And comes with the turquoise lace right over here. But yeah, this purple and brown hit. Got these. These are super cheap right now. Got these for $290. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, prices have been dropping on these. The taupes are slowly going up. Might pick those up. But yeah, quick pickup from Premier and Sneaker Boutique. Subscribe if you guys want to see more videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.